What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the TIETOC 6-inch mini chainsaw. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this chainsaw, including one thing you should know before buying. So guys, I got this mini chainsaw because I've been cutting a lot of different branches in our backyard. And I'll show you in a minute. I'll actually bring it to the backyard and show you it working. But got it because I've been doing a lot of trimming in our hedge trimmers. Basically the things that we're trimming, it doesn't really work with the hedge trimmers. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get something else that will hopefully work. And this one has actually performed really, really well. It's surprisingly powerful for what it is. But before I kind of go back there and show you everything, let me tell you everything it comes with. So we have this battery. It just has one battery. Some of them have two. This one just has one. But I do like how you can hold this down. It'll actually show the power on the battery, which is really nice. The charger, this, which is just a chain guard that would go onto here, right? The actual chainsaw itself, it has these safety glasses, which I have my own. I haven't really used these yet, but you know, it's nice that they come with that. Comes with a screwdriver and you know, everything you'd need to actually repair the chainsaw. It doesn't have any actual, this is for like the chainsaw oil right here, like the grease, if you will. Doesn't have any in the actual package itself, so you'd have to fill that up. Comes with an extra chain, which is nice. If this one breaks, it just gets dull. And then this as well, these little gloves. Now these gloves, I gotta be honest, not like, you know, if you got your hand caught under here with these gloves, it's not going to save your hand. They're just nice to, you know, basically make it so you have something to hold if you're sweaty or whatever. Your hands won't slip on this. But overall, it's really, really good. Let me go ahead and show you here in the backyard so you can see what it's like. And before I go to the yard, guys, just want to warn you, it is windy out, so you might get a little bit of wind in the mic. The other thing is, it is safety, so you press right now, nothing will happen. You have to press down here and then pull the trigger in order for this thing to work. But as you can see, it's actually pretty powerful. That chain moves quite a bit, so it doesn't have a problem cutting through things. Let me show you it in action here. All right, guys, so you can see right here we have the chainsaw. This is a palm tree. Right through there, no problem at all. Cut it right off. Well, I guess I missed a little spot. There we go. Cut it right off, no problem. So as you guys saw, it does a pretty good job. I've been using this for, I'd say, about a week or so. In conjunction with some others, but this one in particular, I like it a lot. The battery's powerful, lasts for quite some time, and I think the biggest thing that's really nice, you saw how powerful the actual, like how quickly the blade moves when you use this thing. That's actually really, really quick compared to some of the others that I've tested. So overall, it's really, really good. The only thing I think you should know before buying, I don't like the fact that it comes with only one battery. Some of them come with two batteries, which is really nice if you're trying to do a bigger cut job. You know, this one, I mean, they just don't have it. It's also, in terms of price point, a little bit more affordable too. So, you know, it just depends on what you're looking for, but it is very good. Really, really like it and really enjoy. And, you know, if you decide to get it or you're wondering if it's really worth it, it absolutely is. It's a good product. Really like it myself and recommend it to you as well.